In this video, we're going to show you how to draw an object using the isometric drawing conventions. The reason why it's in quotes is simply because we are just tracing over. We're not going to be using Adobe Illustrator's inbuilt precision tools of 30 degrees. That's for another day, another video. For now, all I want you guys to be able to do is to trace over your object. By understanding in a previous video that objects can be layered on top of each other, means that we actually can create objects like this and like that are obscured from the view that allow me to create this particular drawing without too much difficulty. I'll show you how that's done. So let's take this over here. We need to think about how things are drawn. This, if I draw this first and then I draw this second, I'm then going to have to bring it to the front. But if I draw this second after this, then it's going to be correct in my layer order. Let me show you. So let's just draw this over here really quickly. Done. In a previous video, you saw that I can flip my fill color to my stroke using Shift X. I'm going to do that now to flip that over, just so that I can see what is beneath my drawing. So now if I go and give this a color, I'm going to fill that in, and this one over here, I'm going to swap that color but change it. Now I can see that because I drew this second, it sits on top of this thing. You can see that in my layer structure over there. Now this area, I'm not even gonna bother trying to contour it or constrain it to this particular line. I'm literally just gonna go over here and then close that off. I'm gonna go in over here. I don't care where things are gonna overlap, simply because I know that when I draw this next part, it's going to make sense. Simply because I am drawing it over the top of it, I will not be able to see it. So if I go ahead and turn that around, I'll give that a contrasting color. Flip that, give that a different color over there, flip that, and now give that different color. Now I've been able to create this particular shape without too much difficulty, because all this is obscuring this particular view. Again, I'm not advocating to create messy files, but know that you can clean that kind of stuff up later on. So now that I've got this cavity over here, it's easy. I can just fill that in that area there, and I know that I can just right click, arrange, and send that to the back, and now I have that particular area there. Hopefully this is enough for you to be able to recreate an object that you want digitally, and you've got enough skills.